Where's KK? Go ahead. No touch. No, 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 no. No, no. Hot. 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 Go ahead. Show me where KK is. Where is she? I'm coming. Hi, KK. Duck. Duck. Be careful. KK's over on the other side, baby. You trying to get into your toy bag? Come on. Let's go see if Daddy's home. Bring him something. Come on. Bring him something. Bring him something. Your brush. Oh, pretty. Come on. Bye, KK. See you later. When I come back from my tubby. Oh, you blew her a kiss? Mwah. Good girl. Mwah. I love you. KK. You're such a good walker. Mommy's gonna walk into the gate any moment now. Mwah. Go comb your other KK's hair. Go comb her hair. Where is she? She's on puppy chair. Whoops. She's not in there, baby. She's on the puppy chair. Say bye-bye. Elizabeth, can you wave bye-bye, please? Brush your hair.